Hi guys, this is great news for borrowers that want to switch mortgage at renewal. This article is from a Financial Post that I found. Now it says, OSFI relents on stress tests for uninsured mortgages when lenders switched at renewal. The bank regulator will no longer require banks to stress test borrowers to meet minimum qualifying rate when switching lenders at renewal. OSFI plans to inform the banking industry formally in November that straight switches of an uninsured mortgage to a new financial institution will not require the new lender to assess the borrower using the minimum qualifying rate stress test. Now, one caveat. These switches must be on a current amortization schedule and loan amount. So you cannot switch the loan amount, and if you're locked into, let's say, bi-weekly, you gotta do this bi-weekly. Industry players had complained about the imbalance that required the stress test to be applied again when changing banks, but not when remaining with the same financial institution at the mortgage renewal time. Moreover, in 2023, the Department of Finance clarified that insured mortgages did not need to pass the stress test again if the borrower switched to a different lender at renewal time. So when clients renew the mortgage, the ability to switch to a competitive mortgage is critical to ensure they obtain the best rate and terms to serve their needs. So now, let's say you want to switch from Scotia to Royal Bank or from Royal Bank to TD. If you're using the same amortization and the same amount, you can basically switch at your renewal time. So let's say you had 5 years. So as the 5 years approaches, you can switch to another bank, to another lender, and you don't have to do this stress test again. Which is great. It makes the product more competitive, and you don't have to stay with the same lender. The lender could, for example, raise the rates on you for the second term, right? So you have ability to shop around, and you don't need the stress test. Let me know what you think.